How to add music to Instagram post on computer. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add music to Instagram post on your computer, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add music to Instagram post on your computer, all you have to do is open up instagram.com on your browser. Now whenever you are trying to create a post, by hitting the create option and then you select a certain photo that maybe you would like to upload, and just like on mobile phone you would like to add a music to this, right? But you aren't being able to add music, so you hit the next option and then again you can make a few filters and adjustments, but then you hit the next button again and then you see that you can enter a caption and you can choose to tag people, but there is no option to add a music. That is because this web version or of desktop of Instagram is actually limited. You won't find all the options. If you want to use all the options, you have to use the Instagram app that is available on the App Store. But as for this, we currently do not have many options over here. You simply need to make sure that you use a mobile phone, because even if you try to enable the mobile version of this website, you will not be able to do so. So this way, hopefully this video helped to clarify your question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.